Happy birthday, Sam! Enjoy your day and God bless.
Happy birthday, Sam! Wish you all the best. Kaming dalawa lang yung tone mo kay birthday. Joke lang, ano.
Love you.
Lagi mag-iingat.
Happy birthday,
Sam! Wish you all the best. Ingat ka palagi. Mahal kita.
Happy 18th birthday. Enjoy mo lang itong birthday mo ito. I love you. Miss na miss ka na namin na yung mami. Love you.
Reach for your dreams, aim high. We're here all the way to support you. Stay as sweet as you are. I love you so much, anak.
Ladies and gentlemen, the very beautiful debutant, no other than Miss Ariel Samantha Sayata Balagtas.
Thank you, Sammy, for being one of the most thoughtful friends that one could ask for.
Daming preparation, daming challenges just to be here with you, anak. Tinago pa nila ako kung saan-saan. Nag-hotel pa kami ni Daddy para hindi mo ko malaman. Mahirap pagtago, pero eto, anak, para sa'yo, nandito ako and Daddy para sa 18th birthday mo because it's your special day and we love you so much, anak.
It's gonna be alright. I'm never gonna leave your side. It's gonna be alright.
Neng baby Sam, happy birthday. Mag-aaral na mabuti.
I love you. Wala akong pinagmamagaling sa iyo kundi ang pagmamahal at pag-aalaga ko sa iyo.
Sam, sikapin mo na ikaw ay makatapos ng pag-aaral. Yun lang ang gusto sa iyo ng iyong ama at ina.
I'm really lucky to be part of your world and the love you give me. I'm really grateful for it. So, huwag kang magbabago. Wala kang ginagawang mali.
Hihintayin ko yung time na makamit mo yung dreams mo sa buhay, lalo na yung pagiging flight attendant.
Tonight is Sam's night, the night that she will remember forever, a significant moment of her life. You're our happiness and joy. We pray to have a daughter, and we are forever grateful to the Lord.